Okay, it's Wednesday, October 5th. This is right before the open. I'm looking at Tesla. I'm biased to buy some puts here to the short side. Ideally, what I'd like to see on this 1 minute chart as we open up, just to kind of take out these highs right in here and then kind of give me a red bar to go short. Obviously, I'm looking to take these blue targets below. What I see here on the in the bigger picture, first of all, in the monthly chart, since we're two down in the month, I'm still expecting us to kind of work towards liquidity down here. This is a long way away, but that's kind of the bias that's showing up on the monthly chart to head down to the bottom there. Then on the weekly chart, I could see here that while we came down to fill in this little gap yesterday, in terms of the daily chart, filling in that weekly gap. At that point, you have a gap on the upside that you would expect to be filled. And if you look at the 15-minute price action yesterday, we started to fill that early on and got up there a little bit, but then had a big red bar to make that whole thing fail. So if anything, I see this gap eventually being filled on the daily chart, but we're going to have to get some kind of opening and a two-up bar to start doing that. Until then, I see today, since we're starting near the bottom of this range, to take out these two lows and then these these targets nearby and work towards this weekly target, as I think we're heading in the big picture down here. So my bias is down. We failed to take out that gap yesterday, so that's why I'm biased to the short side today as we start kind of below the to the bottom of these 2 days range with clear targets to take out the lows of that day. So we're not right at the open here. Here we go. We're starting. So any kind of little red bar, I'm looking to, ideally, like I said, I'd love it just to start up to fake out a little bit and take out these highs right here, on the 1 minute chart, and then getting ready to buy puts right here if we can get some kind of weak red opening. Again, this would be yesterday's low. This is the target below that. So I'm kind of looking for that type of action to this morning, and we'll just see if we can get it here early to aggressively go to buy some puts.